I welcome you all in episode 180 of Explore Yoga. In today's episode, we will learn about Tratka. Tratka is a steady gazing at a fixed point or object without blinking the eyes. As a matter of fact, it is simple and easy technique of developing and concentration of mind and mental focusing by gazing at object constantly. It may be of two types, external Tratka and internal Tratka. Do not strain the eyes in any case while you are practicing Tratka. The practice of Tratka should be done less in summer and more in winter. People suffering from weak eyesight should not practice this Kriya for long duration of time. They should first try to improve their eyesight by other yogic Kriyas and take suitable diet. After the eyesight becomes normal, then start Trata Kriya. First of all, external Tratak will be practiced. External Tratak is practiced by gazing continuously at a single point of object for a longer period without blinking of eyes. There can be any one object out of so many which one can be chosen to gaze in Tratakirya. It may be a flame, an idol of deity, face of mirror, face in the mirror, a flower, a shivling, a precious stone, a shining object of brass, silver, or gold, rising moon or rising sun, empty sky or a star, etc. But one thing should keep in mind, a sadhaka should not practice for more than 1 minute at the first rays of sun. Otherwise, it may be harmful. Today, this external Tratka will be demonstrated by our yoga instructor, Kanika Mittal. Arrange a candle or a ghee diya. Select a closed noise-free place, lighten the candle or diya, placing it at a distance of 3 feet. Height of the candle or diya should be parallel to your eyes. Sit in any comfortable meditating pose. Keep the neck and spine erect. Place both the hands on the knees in Jnana Mudra. Close your eyes gently and relax your whole body. Open your eyes and gaze at the flame without blinking of your eyes. If you feel any burning sensation, close your eyes immediately. After some time, resume your gaze if the burning sensation goes. Gaze for a longer period, which may be for 3 minutes in the first week of the beginners. Finally, close your eyes and stay relaxed for a few minutes with closed eyes. Increase the duration of gazing gradually over a period of time. Now, the second technique, known as internal Tratka, will be practiced by our yoga instructor Kanika Mittal. While practicing Tratka, when both eyes remain closed, is called internal Tratka. Internal Tratka is based on inner visualization. Internal Tratka is very helpful to develop the power of concentration as whole energy is diverted at one point. Sit in any comfortable meditative asana. Place both the hands on the knees in Jnana or Chinna Mudra. Close your eyes gently. Relax your whole body. Start gazing at the flame like external Tratka. Stay in this position for 2 to 3 minutes. After that, close your eyes and concentrate on it with third eye and visualize this flame mentally. Stay in this position as long as possible. Visualize the flame mentally for 3 to 5 minutes on regular basis. At the end, open your eyes slowly. In the beginning stage, a sadhaka should gaze on an external flame for 2 to 3 minutes and then visualize the same flame mentally in Chidakasa with the third eye. Tratka is helpful to develop the power of concentration. Eye muscles are strengthened. It helps to open the third eye. It improves the eyesight. It helps to awaken the dormant energy and centers of the brain. It improves intellect. It increases the capacity to read the thoughts of other people's mind. Today we have learned about Tratka. In the next episode, we will learn more new about Satkam Karma. Do yoga regularly and be healthy. Share this video to the maximum and be the part of this noble work. Have a nice day. Thank you very much. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.